हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि आप कैसे एक वेबसाइट को एंड्रॉइड ऐप में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं यूजिंग स्केचवेयर। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट। ओपन sketchware and create new project. यहाँ पे कोई तो भी आइकॉन सिलेक्ट कर लेना है। Enter your application name. In my case, my web is my application name, and simply type on create app. After creating, simply drag and drop, scroll vertical and simply width match parent, padding 0. After this, simply include a web view. On web view, go to event, on create, include view, it is web view load URL. Web view load URL and select web view over, that is web view 1. Enter your URL, paste it here and simply go back. Now add on backtrack, add on backtrack, simply include control, that is if then else. If include view, that is web view get back. Web view can go back. Select web view as 1, can go back. Then web view condition, select our web view, go back. Else control, component and then finish activity. Simply go back. Now run this app. Wait it until building the app. Now simply install. Open it. So check whether the link is load or not. Yes friend, it works. So let me try. Yes friend, it works fine. Please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you.